Alrighty, Sharp Customs, man, our second location. As you can see, we're at the river. We're gonna try this jet boat again, man. Plumbing, we got it. It took a while. Took, yeah, longer than I wanted to be there because I wanted to get down here to this site to shoot this video, before, here where I live, we have a, 7 a.m., 7 p.m. kind of noise bylaw. And yeah, this would be considered, like a weed trimmer or something like that. But, if the city was doing something, that's fine, man. If they had to mow a a soccer field or something, it doesn't matter. Anyhow, and as we come in here to the parking lot, what do we pass? We pass a bylaw officer. How convenient was that, eh? But this might be just a short little video. The water is high, as you can see. So I just choked it. I just fired it. She's ready to rock and roll. I say we tested it out. Man, I should have spent more time kind of going over it. There's a couple little loose things on there, but we're gonna rock it. We're gonna rock it anyway and see what happens. Let's do this. Let's do it. I probably won't talk. Well, motor mount came off. I was hoping it was going to perform a little bit better. I forgot to mention that before we started this video, I changed the impeller to another one that I had. I don't think I'm going to run it tonight. It's without the silencer on it. It's crazy loud, as you can hear. And I even kind of tricked it out so that I would hopefully I was going to have some more steering, but it is not. It's not doing what I want it to. Like I thought I could do some, some tight turns and stuff. My nuts and bolts off the one motor mount, that's fine. They're kind of laying in there. I can see water dripping in my drive shaft. And yeah, man, I just wanted to blast it. And yeah, I did do you know what? I think I'm gonna fire it up. I'm gonna take it out a little bit further, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna test for a speed run. That's what we're gonna do, and then I can compare video from the last time we were out. Yeah, we'll give it. We got a canoer, man. We'll have to wait for the canoe to go by, but I'll try and drain the water. There's only a little bit.
I don't know what that means, dude.
Not a big deal.
When you say this side, I don't know because I'm not looking.
As soon as these guys pass. It's only a little bit of water.
Oh, that could have been the chainsaw sound, eh? Very well could have been. Powerboat.
Just trying to get the water out. There we go. these canoers out of the way, and then we'll give her some shit, and we'll get the hell out of here like some bandits, man. I don't know if that by loud. So there's like a baseball game going on up there, and there's a big park over there, and yeah, like, you know, bylaw officer was just kind of parked up there. So yeah, let's crack the whip, man, and I want to do a speed pass. That's what I want. I don't care about my steering. Don't care about a missing bolt. Doesn't go as fast. It's the carburetor needs a little bit of a tweak. I can hear that, but I don't think it's going to go any faster with this impeller. So I say we make like a couple of Banshees and get the hell out of here, because that thing is just screaming loud, and it's not even actually coming up on the pipe properly. It'd be even freaking louder, you know, like some crazy two-stroke motorcycle. So we'll come out again. I'm gonna turn off the power, turn off my radio. I'm gonna do a little bit more work on it. I'm gonna try and make a super nice silencer for it to tone it down again. But come on, man, come with us. Come with us for the walk to get out of where we are. Just follow me, man. And we'll end it when we get out of the bush. Kind of got to push our way through the bush. Yeah, we'll just carry on this way because we'll go under the tree. Push our way through the bush. You always find interesting things in the bush around here. Came across this coming in. Looks like some type of solar type lantern that was just sitting here. Probably hanging in a tree. We gotta get out of this bush because the skeeters, I can feel them all around me and on me. We're not that far off the beaten path. But there's our ride, man. And there you go. I know it was short, man. I'm sorry. But it's a double shot. Sharp Customs, man. Share, like, subscribe. Love you all. Peace. I'm out.